Woooi people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. That is Up and Coming Productions. You get me? Yes. I know a lot of people have been asking for a long time and got some exciting news. We have opened a restaurant. Yes, people, so you get me? Yeah, we've opened up a restaurant. It's not an official Cook and Vibe restaurant, but you don't know, say, I'm gonna be there. You know, I will be working in there. I'll be cooking the food, you know what I mean? So sometimes you can come down and taste my food. It will be the only place that has certain things, you understand? Like, it'll be the only place that's obviously got the hot sauce and stuff like that, do you know what I'm saying? So, yeah man, Big V's people. You get me? Cook and Vibe, Big V's restaurant, Sheerness High Street. You get me? It's a crazy thing. We done give you the little intros, but right now we're gonna take you down to the shop. You get me? We're gonna get Father Ringo's in the building. I'm over there, you get me? So we'll soon link up with the general and we fly down to the shop. So yeah, you done know, so we're in the Cook and Vibe kitchen. So it all started, you know what I'm saying? From here, we're gonna drive down to the shop, show you where it is, show you outside properly and everything and inside, and yeah man, show you where I'm going, do you know what I'm saying? So good vibes people, man. Big up and coming productions, you don't know how the things hit, man. Woooi. Oi! Yes people, you don't know Father Ringo there.
One people, you don't know, so we're there people.
I chill man, I chill.
Step on the road, you see it?
Up and coming, this is the first time you've been in the back of my car, right?
Yeah, it is, man.
Usually you driving me. You don't know people, we're in Sheerness. We've just left the Cook and Vibe headquarters. We are now driving down to Big V's Cook and Vibe restaurant. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, it's a good vibes people, bro. I know a lot of people have been asking for a long time in a Ringo. They've been asking, is there gonna be a restaurant soon? Is there gonna be a restaurant soon? To be honest with you, Ringo,
yeah,
I want to do like a proper Cook and Vibe like chain, like so, like you know, like how you get like McDonald's and Burger King. Yeah, that's how I want Cook and Vibe to be. But this is the start.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because you don't know, say zero a family to us, so it's like I'm gonna be working there. People can taste M.R's food. Do you know what I'm saying? Again, like just little things like being able to get the hot sauce and may I tell us that when we reach there, I'm gonna show you about certain things that's like exclusive. Like kind of to do with us, do you know what I'm saying? So it's a good look, it's a start people, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have to start somewhere and this is the start, so it's a good vibes. We got Up and Coming Productions, Ringo Vision, make sure you go over and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? We see fast.
Have good vibes people, big up yourself, yeah, you don't know.
You get me? Yes! I know a lot of people have been asking for a long time and got some exciting news. We have opened a restaurant. See it here? Yes! People, Big V's Caribbean true taste of Jamaica. You understand? Everybody's asking, is there gonna be a Cook and Vibe restaurant? Is there gonna be a Cook? This is the start. You should know Zero by now. Back in the music videos, you'll see Zero. Zero is family. You know what I'm saying? So, Zero, I've got this place. You get me? Big V's. Yeah, it's crazy. So you can find myself here. You get me? Do you know what? Should we go inside after all this time? Let's have a little look outside. Let's take this moment in. We got a restaurant, people. We got a restaurant. It's in Sheerness. It's in my hometown, Sheerness High Street. Look where we are. Look where we are. We're in Sheerness High Street. You know what I'm saying? We're right next door to 3A's Wine. Just over there is the train station. So when you come off the train, all you do is you come sit. There's only one way you walk, where the shops are when you come off the train, and we're here. So you don't know, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna see the exclusive Big V Cook and Vibe restaurant. Over there is NatWest. We're gonna see where we are so they know where we are. We're right across the road from NatWest, do you know what I'm saying? And we're right outside Big V's Cook and Vibe restaurant. Let's go inside. Up and Coming Productions. Phone. Yes, people, phone in at the place. Woooi. All right, Zero.
Good there.
Josie Bastard. Yeah, man. You don't know Cook and Vibe, we're here. Big V, Cook and Vibe, we're here, man. And look, and this is some of the things. This is like, obviously, table condiment. Bro, Up and Coming is the only place in the world where you can come and buy food and get the Cook and Vibe condiment as just a table sauce. You ain't gotta pay no money, you ain't gotta pay no extra. You can use the passion fruit Cook and Vibe hot sauce on any of your food. Do you know what I'm saying? What I want to show you here, people, is a patty section. Patties them sell off. You see how empty it is? We got a few chicken in there, and we got a couple vegetable at the top there. But I'm telling you, there's one thing that Big V prides himself in, and that's his patties, you know. When we was having this discussion before the shop opened, I was saying, no, we need to get these ones, we need to get these ones. And he was like, no, bro, wait. And he showed me the patties. I took one bite. I said, wow, the patties are just like the ones in Jamaica. And you know, that's where anybody watching this, you know, it's hard to find. Can I confirm that Up and Coming? Because you ate a patty earlier.
Yeah, no.
And a vegetable patty you ate.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Alright, watch it.
Oh, people, people say, you don't know, so we're going to try out a party. Bless up yourself, everybody, you know, so good bad. Big up Big V, because I don't know, say, yeah, man.
Yeah, his name's not Zero no more, people. His name's Big V now. You understand?
Yeah,
Big
a
V,
good bad.
So what type of patty you have to?
Chicken no consume.
Alright.
Yeah, look out, please.
No, because you know it already. No, I want you to taste it.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
See
Good
the
luck.
flakiness.
Mother's fried chicken, this one. Touch.
Yes, people.
You man,
Fatty, proper.
it's good, innit? Mm-hmm. Trust me.
This is the plate, this will drop off it.
Up and Coming. Forward on it. Where's about the fried chicken there, Zero?
The mother's
Well,
fried
because you know what happens, yeah? Listen, this is how we deal with the thing, Carl. I tell you people no ramping thing. Yeah? Health and safety. Alright, so before I go behind the counter, I must take off my coat.
Yeah.
I must put on my apron. You know, I forgot my Cook and Vibe apron, you know. And put my apron there. Very, very important. Because you don't know, no hairs dropping off in food. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Health and safety. Yeah, man. So more time you're gonna catch me here. Do you know what I mean? If you wanna come and just get some food, chill out with the family, come and eat some food. We've got enough table space, as you can see. Fit all good 4 or 5 families in there. Come down, you get me? You could come down, you can take pictures with me, take pictures in the restaurant, take pictures with Big V. Yo!
And the hot sauce can use on the patty them?
Yeah!
Alright people, so we're going to test out the hot sauce.
Test it!
So what I'm going to do now, yeah, I'm just going to open up my patty, yeah? You understand? I'm just going to drop.
You know them
Yeah.
bottles you can't ramp for it to come out of the bottle?
Yeah, it's going in, it's going in.
Yeah. That's
Let's get a first taste. First time ever.
Remember saying it's the only place you can get this sauce, you know, for free. You just come and try it.
Wicked.
Liven it up, innit?
Liven up the patty.
Liven up the patty,
To
brother.
blood seed.
Tamala.
To bomb. Yo!
About the tamala?
Where's that? Good vibes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Family. To bring the family, man, like I say, you can come down, you know what I mean, more time, man's there, you can take pictures, all that sort of stuff. Go to the fridge, you don't know, we have to have our Jamaican drinks. You get me? We've got the biggers, we've got every flavour of the biggers, we've got the things down there, we've got the ginger beer, we don't know anything except we soon have some homemade punches and stuff like that as well, you know what I'm saying? Where's about this fried chicken there, Zero?
Crazy fried chicken.
Yeah.
That bad I used that search for KFC the other day.
Yeah.
You know, bad KFC.
This ain't the sweet chili one, right? The sweet chili wings, them bad enough. Them bad, I tried them before I left. Yo, you might have some secret recipes as well. So you get Cook and Vibe food, you get Big V food, and you also get some Ringo Vision food sometimes. Look on dumpling there, man. Pretty and nice, man. Red, green and yellow. You gonna tell you, and you what, God? We can all show you the kitchen because we're clean. We're clean, you see, everything is clean, people. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, no griminess. You know, you can see the back there, everything is nice. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we're gonna sit down and we're gonna eat some food. You know what I'm saying? What an exciting thing, man. Yeah,
Place, right?
finally a place where you can
This
come
is some place,
and
right?
link M.R. More time you can all catch Ringo Vision chilling out here same way. And even if you come with a family and I'm not working that day or I'm not here that day, you just tell Big V, you say, yo, Carl M. and tell him for forward because we want our picture. You won't be able to buy the hot sauce from the premises, but you can buy the hot sauce just round the corner. If you ever come to the restaurant and you want to take some hot sauce, all you do is you contact me. We got a different location where we sell the hot sauce. Do you know what I'm saying? But you can come and try it for free. What more do you want? What more do you want? Cook and vibe. Yeah, they are, man. Let's consume some food. Woooi! You see the curry goat there, people? Hey, a serious thing that.
So people, if you come down to the restaurant, you definitely can get this because you can get a cook and vibe service with M.R with big V down in the
Wait on,
Hey, M.
Alright, here we got it. We got some rice and peas, we got some big V fried chicken, and we got some curry goat with a little salad.
Now, I just want to sit down and tuck in, you know. I'm there.
Yeah, so
I'm right here.
Yeah, man. Been there with the camera. You can rest down for a second, sir. That one is yours, Ringo. Is yours, Ben. Do you know what I'm saying? Listen. So good look, man.
So at the same time, we're the first customers at the same time to sit down and dine and be able to use the hot sauce on there.
Yes, and with M. Yeah. Big V opened up the shop on Friday, but I was busy over the weekend, so today's the first day that we're in the shop and we're cooking and we're there and the hot sauce is available and everything's available, but everything's available from now. But every time you come here, it's going to be available, so you can use the hot sauce on your food and yeah, man, it's a good vibe. So I just want you to taste the food. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to taste the food with you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes, people. So all there, I consume some food. Can we get a round of applause? Yeah, fully active people.
Yeah, man, the top chef, them in the building people, you know, so we are consuming some big V people up in a Sheerness, good vibes. Anytime, look, the winter soon blow up, you know, so we down England people, yeah, and you know, say summertime and everybody go down to the coast. Make sure when you reach the coastline of Sheerness, make Sheerness be one of the places for next year's summer, at least. Because you know why? You know, say Caribbean, Jamaican vibration is down here on the island. Yeah, man. It's like a kick off, because you know, say drop and smell and everything I go on, and the flavors, and that's how I consume it in a real life. I'm going to tell you, say, hold on the M down, because I want to make people know, say, short thing I mean, I place, I eat some food. Because I'm a chef too, you know, people, but look here. Yeah.
Fried chicken bad.
Yeah, look, let me tell you why I fried chicken bad.
It's just like Jamaica.
The garlic. The man I work with the garlic. You work with the garlic, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm have some little something else.
And the garlic, quickly, I just know, from the garlic, you know what I want.
Over the years, people love my fried chicken and my curry years. And what? All them sweet, all them wings there. We wait till them wings, the leg of the place right.
Yo, sweet chili wings. Man.
But people make a look stop and I think because you know say a long time I aim that at this thing. And me I am slow down here on the thing and yo big up people. I'm going to do myself a lot. We are traveling, we are traveling, now we are traveling. And we're sitting down, the first time I have a proper meal. And a big V. Yeah man, and Ben's air segue from the journey from the start segue. So you know say, yeah man, and the team people, you know say yeah.
It's a good vibe, elevation, you know?
It's a good vibe. And who's been helping on the journey, we don't even need to call no names because individually from all of us, you know who you are. Yeah. That's been helping from the start to now. You understand? We know say you lot can't always be there at the time. Different from the YouTube people them. But the physical friends and family them that we have around us, encouraging and putting physical, you understand, encouragement? Pick up yourselves.
Right now,
yeah.
you know what the maddest thing? We need some hot sauce. We need to cook and buy hot sauce on the food. Yeah.
I can smell the flavors kicking off of it, even just by like squirting it out the bottle.
Oh, you're good, man.
Get this, man.
Hot sauce, cook and vibe hot sauce. Remember that? Exclusive to Big V's.
Yeah, man, be hot.
Hot, man.
So people, anytime you don't see me at M that night place, you don't know and say, yo, Matt's not going to my kitchen said we because generally I saw elder said we I'm not doing things for them yard and knee. I know yard and shoulder. Can't make it know much years that reach and shoulders. I don't know, joke thing out here better. What if I cooking that? What if I years of cooking? I'm out and doing it too.
Yep, from what?
Give them some nice story. Give them some nice story.
From what? From wood fire?
From wood fire.
To gas, to kerosene oil store.
Yeah.
From kerosene oil store to coal.
Coal.
To gas.
Again.
Yes.
When you must say gas on people, it's different form of gases. Gas evolved over the years.
Yeah.
Them gas that we are using, use cooking back in the day, they're kind of like unhealthy as well for your body. Like them kerosene oil I'm talking about. And I know them.
Yeah, man.
Kerosene oil is a good bit, yeah, but we're consuming it, but we're using it, the lamping for heat, whether it's for warmth or for light.
You don't see kill nobody.
No, I'm not seeing nobody, but I'm just
You
fuel.
know, like my parents' generation. I don't hear that. Not
The generation of people, they're different.
Yeah.
They might some different type of
my
food.
cassava.
They might the things them for purge out, but whoever pies in them body. Because I remember saying them people that I are busy. They might use all like bush, them and them sitting there. So anything
But
them,
it's stronger.
but it's strong. Anytime something reach them say like bam 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 and them deal that and push it back out of them body instantly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It depends on the hot sauce.
I like it. It's good.
Now the hot sauce is good too. I like it.
Don't have to go good with big feet champion. No, work. No?
Definitely.
No, go work with that. I'm gonna make my eat some food, you know.
Yeah.
A good vibe, love it. That's why I cook for the youths, them, you know.
Really?
Them come in and get them meal at the evening time. Proper meal, no joke meal.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start the Guinness punch and the sauce at juice and all of them something to settle the nerves, you know.
Yeah.
That them can go and go fix up them girl and them something like that.
Oi. Oi.
There, you know. Wait, no man. We have it. Wait, no man.
Harry.
But yes, people, man, big up yourself, I don't know.
All
So,
the food you get.
there, we are finished consumer meals,
Feeling heavy.
cooking vibes, up and coming production.
All now there's too much food on the plate.
24-hour kitchen, and Big V's place, and M Dot's place, said way too. Yeah, man, we're there.
Yeah, one big family, yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, yoy.
Oi.
How we set it?
Bigger to finish it off.
Nah, good vibes.
Belly full, Ringo.
Yeah, man, my belly's full.
A good vibes, man. Yeah, people, so I think we're gonna end it there. There's not much more we can do here apart from you just gotta come and check it out. Sheerness High Street, Kent, Isle of Sheppey. Full address will be in the description. You get me? And if you have any other questions or anything like that, you can just contact me and ask me any questions. We're there. You get me? I hope to see you all soon in the restaurant. Big V's, Cook and Vibe, Sheerness High Street. See you soon, people. Bye. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Hoi! Welcome to the big up section, people. You don't know where the thing's set, man. I told you a well excited thing. Get yourself down to Big V's and Cook on Vibe, Sheerness High Street for the best Jamaican food. Do you know what I'm saying, man? Yeah, it's a good vibes, people. And the hot sauce is there, everything's there. Woooi! Don't know, do the right thing. Like, comment, share, and big subscribe. We like 40k's there, and we're like here. Do you know what I'm saying? Close. Basically. Yeah, so today's big up, people. Big up Anthony Holden. He says, can you do a soup with lamb neck and maybe you and Ringo both do a chicken back recipe but different to each other's? Big me up in the next video, bro. Anthony, see it there? See it there, my G. You get your big up quick and fast, man. Do the right thing. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Do the maths. You get me? And big up Mary Moore says, yes, I think you should make some Trini dishes. Doubles are super easy to make, by the way. Shadon Benny is also known as cilantro, so you should easily find it in the UK. Woooi. Mary, big up yourself, but here I go on, people. Oh, man, I tell you, man, doubles is not easy to make. Doubles might be easy to make, but you see all the stuff that you got to put in it, like all the different chutneys and this and that, can we do it proper way? Is complicated, and there's a lot of ingredients. I've been on a mission to get Trinidad ingredients, people. So next episode, yeah, we're gonna be doing some authentic Trinidad food, and the Shadon Benny was the most difficult thing to get in the UK. I have been to Peckham, I've been to Lewisham, them places are a whole heap of different thing there. Can't find it. You understand? I've managed to find some Shadon Benny chutney. Yeah, I'll show you that quickly. I don't want to give you too much before the episode. But yeah, I've ordered some Shadon Benny in the post, so hopefully that should be here in time for next week's episode on Thursday. You know what I'm saying? Oi, oi, people!